Mail time.
Mail time. Mail time.
The mail's here!
Mail time.
Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna will. Mail!
The rain won't stop the mail. Here's your letter.
Thanks, mailbox.
You're welcome.
We just got a letter. 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 I wonder who it's from. Oh, it's a letter from our friend.
Hi, Josh and Bill. I like listening to the rain on my roof. Can you hear it? Goodbye, Josh and Bill. Bye.
Bye. I like listening to the rain, too. Now I really want to go play outside. Come on, Blue. Oh, you're right. I can't go outside dressed like this. To the closet! Oh, I need to find my rainy day clothes before we play outside. Will you help me? Awesome! Okay, let's start with the shoes. Which pair of shoes is for rainy weather? Rubber boots, sandals, or bunny slippers?
Rubber boots.
Rubber boots. Right! Rubber boots will keep my feet dry. Nice. Which of these jackets is for rainy weather? A winter jacket, a jean jacket, or a waterproof jacket?
That one. The waterproof jacket.
That waterproof jacket! Aha! This'll definitely keep me dry in the rainy weather. Ooh. Which of these is for rainy weather? Sunglasses, an umbrella, or earmuffs?
An umbrella!
An umbrella! Yeah! Alrighty then, this will help keep me nice and dry. Ta-da! Thanks for helping me get rain ready. Ooh, check you out, Blue. All right, so let's get this show on the road.
A clue! A clue!
Shoe? Oh, yeah, I am wearing shoes. Well, technically, they're rain boots.
No! A clue! On your rain boot.
Oh! There's a clue on my boot! Hey, we need to put this clue in our handy-dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Right. Okay. And so, rain boots. First, we'll draw an oval for the top. Then a line down, across, and up. Then, we'll do the same thing again. There. Rain boots. So, what was our first clue again?
Outside!
Outside. Right. Yeah. And now our second clue is rain boots. Huh. So what could Blue want to play on this rainy day outside and with rain boots? Ooh. You know, you might be onto something.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Blues Clues and You YouTube channel for new videos every week.